Now we are going to discuss about biodegradable system, especially polymer material, whether it's natural or artificial things. Okay, these are the things we are going to discuss. What are the application, what are the problems we are facing, even human or animals, and also how we are going to utilize the biodegradable polymer for medicinal purpose or natural purpose, or how these things, how it's going to spoil the earth. Okay, what is the footprints? Okay, how it's going to evolve the poison gases, whether it's nitrous oxide or carbon dioxide. Okay, these are the things we are going to discuss. Especially a lot of polymers are there. Okay, biodegradable. Especially many startup things they are doing in the biodegradable polymers. You could search in that website, you can get it all the details, how they are going to make the polymers. They are using that corn-based biodegradable polymers, and many things they are making. Recently, one fellow they made it with some coconut-based biodegradable polymer system. So everything will be biodegradable. Okay, because if you see the outside, okay, how many tons of plastic waste people are throwing in the street. Okay, so everyone should take care of these things. Okay, I personally recommend you should follow at least some ethics. We are educated, so we have to avoid the polymers, especially the PVA. Okay, all the plastics are poison to environment. Okay, but as educated persons, we should try to avoid usage. We can't avoid, but we can reduce it. Okay, if you are going for shop, we have to carry the bag. Okay, so we have to make it such a way. In scientific mode of view, that polymer is very good material actually, because you just think about we can cover anything. Okay, you can carry the water, you can carry the salt material, you can carry the heavy wood, whatever it is. But it's good, but how we are using in the things. Okay, so in this concept we'll discuss about all the concepts. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir. Okay. So here we are going to talk on a topic, sustainable resource use. Many biodegradable polymers are made from the renewable resources such as potato, cellulose, starch, etc. And it can be reused by the renewable resources such as wind energy, solar energy. By this we can reuse the polymers, and it will protect the environment from the various damages. It will keep the environmental safe, and it doesn't cause any damages to the environment. That's it.
During the carbon emission, the Japanese company IKEA planned a basic structure. They started to producing wooden furnitures and delivering with the electric vehicles, so that the biodegradable waste was low and make the environment clean. In past 5 years, they try to reduce at least 5% of pollution and make the environment mostly neat.
Okay, so they reduce the vehicle carbon emission with the electric vehicle and other things. They focus on that one.
So no, safety is for wildlife. Because nowadays most of them throwing their plastics, water bottle and plastic inside the foods, they're throwing outside, they're feeding for animals. He's getting more injured and sometimes they will die. But in biodegradable, it will decrease the death and the injuries. It's never harmful for animals, and it will never affect the environment.
In medical and pharmaceutical field, biodegradable polymers are used in controlled drug delivery system, surgical structures, and implantation, which will degrades harmlessly for our body, which is used in cancer treatment, installations, and surgical purpose.
Yes, correct. You are saying, hopefully I'm saying that basic research, okay, polymer-based research is always high pitch. But still, the biodegradable polymer, many researchers, okay, if you are thinking about foreign scientists, they are working on it for drug delivery, especially cancer treatment. Okay, now India is less comparatively minimum level of cancers compared to other countries. Okay, if you think about London and all, it will be huge because they are using hot water. They used to take hot coffee. Okay, but we are not using that much hot things. Okay, so those some 5 years before I met one scientist, they discussed about it. They said you people are taking a lot of which one? Bio degradable, not a biodegradable. Our food itself, we are having medicines. Okay, they suggest that one. So they are natural foods.
In real life, in household and hotels, we are using biodegradable wrappers and bottles. Also in household materials like spoons, cutlery materials, we are using nowadays sugar cane extract using that. Next, agriculture. In agriculture, plant pots and seeds covers are used by biopolymers because it is easily degradable in soil also. And also in medical field. For inserting such as plastic polymers inside our body using biodegradable can easily decompose in our body, and also in sanitary pads, tampons, children's underwears, they are using biodegradable polymers. That's all.
Yeah, yes, good. Okay, so these are the things that are happening in the day-to-day life. Okay, but we are discussing about biodegradable, but how it's going to impact the environment. So at least we have to reduce the non-degradable materials. Okay, especially plastic things. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.